Hey, welcome to Zona Mechanica. Hope you are enjoying our videos. If it is really helpful to you, please do share with your friends. And if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe it. There is an MCQ on riveted joint. Figure at the margin indicates the weightage of the question, that is 2 marks. A bracket shown in figure is rigidly mounted on wall using 4 rivets. Each rivet is 6 mm in diameter and has an effective length of 12 mm. Direct shear stress in MPa in the most heavily loaded rivet is, there are 4 options given. Well, as you can see, this is a L-shaped and there are 4 dedicated holes for rivets of 6 mm diameter. Okay, diameter of the rivet is 6 mm. Okay, and a load of 1000 Newton is acting at the top of the bracket. Okay, and all the dimensions are given. Okay, as you can see, the distance of the first row, distance of the second row from the bottom is given. Okay, and the internal spacing are also given. Okay, the question is direct shear stress in MPa, that is the primary shear stress in the most heavily loaded rivet. Okay, so we know that the direct shear stress is the direct sharing of the load, applied load, by each of the rivet, and it is given by primary shear load. Okay, direct shear load or primary shear load, PP, is given by F, that is the applied load, divided by N. N is the number of rivets or number of bolts. Okay, so all the bolts will be sharing same load. Okay, each of the rivet or bolt, whatever it is, so will be sharing the same load or equal load, so F by N. But how they are asking that the most heavily loaded rivet. Okay, so whichever may be the most heavily loaded rivet, it will carry same or equal direct shear load to that shared by other bolts. Okay, that means each of these 4 rivets will be sharing same direct shear load. Okay, but this is the trick, this is the special feature of GATE question. Okay, they will ask in such a way, this is to test you whether you are getting confused. So don't get confused, simply as you know you will proceed. Okay, so each of the rivet will be sharing same load, so F by N, that is 1000 Newton by 4. Okay, number of rivet is 4, so this is the load shared by each of the 4, so Newton, this much of Newton. Okay, so now the direct shear stress, we have to calculate the stress. Okay, so sigma P primary or sigma D direct shear stress will be this load divided by the area of the cross sectional area. Okay, cross sectional area of the rivet, right? D is given, so area will be pi by 4 d square, right? That is pi by 4 6 square, right? So this much of millimeter square, so we can write over here, so 1000 by 4 divided by, so I am multiplying over here, so 4 by pi 6 square. Okay, so 4 will get cancelled, and if we solve this, so this is in Newton and this is in mm square, so that is, this will be Newton per mm square, that is MPa. Okay, so it will come around 8.84. okay, MPa. So this is the direct shear stress in each of the rivet. Okay, so clearly it's matching with option B, so option B is the correct answer.